I wish it had never lost it. Because the fleetiness shall be lesser than 12 minutes. You gave me the best moments of the living. We could be a greater chance. Hence I let you tickle my fancy. 2 minutes notice. For 2 minutes it started. Busted. I wish it had never lost it. Because the fleetiness shall be lesser than 12 minutes. You gave me the best moments of the living. We could be a great chance. And I let you tickle my fancy. Tickle my fancy. You started from walking your fingers down and up my neck. Jack, I whispered. Then they looked into my eyes as I ripped hard. I subconsciously deduced my entire face was convinced you were my sweetheart. Heart beating so fast as if it was in my assistance and ripping you apart. Apart from the fact that we were a temporary affection. So it came to my attention that what's happened to me? My friends gave me that information. So the plan was to give you the best sex in action. It started with an intimate conversation. Music playing in the background. Giggles and laughter as we were giving the you and tickle in a moment. Yo, Antica. Alright, you stole a kiss I give in. Next thing we were definitely kissing. Conflicted by which clothes to take up first, so we busted, untangled and buckled the belt of your pants. The belt of your pants. It's not no bodies in the conversation of their own I moan, squeeze, I squeeze in between the walls of my in between. My goodness, what? You saw this on the internet. You were so perfect. I mean, no one has ever made my filled weight before the match had started. Alright, essential. Made by Sandy Park. We dressed up and then we departed. For 21 days for your call I waited. I mean I needed to be validated. I thought we had a good time when we made it. Just like my friends have told me. I gave you my all when we made it. It was your silence that made me hate it. So my girls asked me, girl, how was it? I told them, you were a 2 minutes notice. Bastard. I wish it had never lasted. Because proceeding us, topic lesser than 2 minutes. You gave me the best moment of the evening. A greater chance. And I let you tickle. What? My fancy. Tickle. My fancy. I thought we had a good time, didn't we? Hey! I thought we had a good time. Not only was my party there, but my mama there too. I hope we had a good time, didn't we? I give you my mind, my soul, my heart, my everything, that to me.
Smoking water.
Hey,
Marco! What's up, son? Ay, focus on focus. Itaga wrong age. Browser light it unto.
Ngibone
Phela nje
uphezulu uzijongise phezulu nje. Waye uzijongise phezulu.
Isikajo siphezulu. Ekiza Moses.
A house arrest of possessing PhDs and degrees of trade varni cake of having never varni cake on the back.
Ikhawasha sembumba. Oh, yesondela. Ikhawasha sembumba mzali. Ikhawasha sembumba. Yiyo lena ne? Oh, okay meme enkosi.
blessed with God who love music. They extremely love music. And they get because they love it too. Then, after I come back, they better put it on. He's a beautiful vocalist. Somebody better do this cool. Give it up for your elder. They're beautiful people, beautiful, amazing artists. They're producers, but they're fine. Guys, don't ask numbers. Then on the drums, guys, focus on the drums. On the drums, Ellen. Did I say? Yes. We got Mark. His name is Mark. Give it up for Mark. That's right. That's right. On behalf Ay,